Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another session uh, from Project Management Worldwide. Uh, this session will be broadcasted on Primavera Trainer magazine and blog. What we're going to talk about today is the project management softwares, which are considered very important tools today in the project management industry. And the most two important project management softwares that I have been working with are the Primavera P6 Enterprise Project Management, which is manufactured by Primavera and now managed by Oracle, which was the final acquisition that Oracle did to buy Primavera. And the other project management software I usually use in my careers and provide services to my clients with is the Microsoft Office project, whether it was the 2003 edition or the 2007 edition. People often, try to differentiate between the two project management softwares, those big ones. Actually, it has been, found out from experience and from using those programs that one of them is stronger than the other in some points, but these points are covered with additional features. Calculation-wise, Primavera P6 is stronger than Microsoft Office Project. But, presentation-wise, Microsoft Office Project is pretty strong. So, I'm not saying that presentation could cover calculations, but from a calculations point of view, Microsoft Office Project seems to be working very well, whether it was for me or for other users. So this explanation is very important to make, and the clarification to not to differentiate between the two, but I encourage people to use both of them because there are some features in Microsoft Office Project that are very, very nice, and I have discovered those, whether it was from my from using the program itself, or from teaching it to new users and prospective professionals. For Primavera P6, it is a very, very strong tool to work with, and to whether it was used to plan projects, monitor projects, it is very, very good. But there are some issues that we have been struggling with as professionals in using Microsoft Office Project. It was those issues were somehow they were fixed, but in Primavera P6 it is still not there. It's not there yet. But hopefully, after the acquisition of Oracle, those problems will be, they will be considered and they will be cured very soon. Okay, you will be. I know that you were wondering what problems is this guy talking about. Well, what I'm talking about is some graphics problems that are a little bit not very encouraging for new users, because a professional user will be willing to use Primavera P6 because he knows or she knows what strengths and what PowerPoints it has. But newcomers, prospective users, they will be very intimidated from using this program because it doesn't encourage new users to use it. And what I have seen from my coachings and my teachings, users tend to use, new users and prospective professionals tend to use appealing programs and appealing softwares rather than using, the strictly professional calculations programs. Anyhow, I hope that they will look into this and they will fix those problems. And I'm trying just to think, what are those guys going to do? And when we talk about Primavera P6, again, some issues are in the terminology that the program uses. And in Microsoft Office Project, I found out that the terminology is a little bit easier for non-professional users, and that might be, there might be a very, very reasonable answer for that. And this reasonable answer is that Primavera was targeting a professional audience, but now you are not targeting just professional audience. You're targeting professional and semi-professional audience, and there are some people who use those programs, in their projects, whether it was small, in scheduling, tasks and many miniature projects. So what I hope is that from Oracle to look into those problems and figure out a solution for the graphics, for the appealing terminology used, to simplify that and make it look more attractive and remain as professional as it used to be. For Microsoft Office Project, the program is very good. The program does not lack a lot of, calculation applications. I like those small applets that you're using and putting around, your screen. You can use those, alter your options, get out some calculations, like calculate per, for instance. It's a very, very nice tool. So for Microsoft Project, I think they have to work on what's missing in the first place and what Primavera has been working on since 1983. And for Microsoft to be a newcomer in this business, I'm not saying newcomer in word, but compared to Primavera, I think Microsoft lacks experience in professional project management softwares. But they are on the right path, they are on the right way. And personally, professionally, I used both programs. Whether it was Primavera P6, amazing program, Microsoft Office Project is a very, very good program too. So I hope I have made some kind of clarification in what I'm saying about those programs, and I hope to see you soon in another Project Management Worldwide session from Primavera.